Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch till the end. I have an oracle guidance coming right after this general energy specific to you all, guys, Aries. So we'll be picking one card from the oracle guidance deck, guys. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This card is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. And we'll also be picking one card from this love messages from your person. So it may be what your person wants to tell you, guys. And this is the card for your oracle guidance. I will leave it here. So let's start with the cards for your general energies first, guys, Aries. So we have Nine of Moons in reverse, Lovers, and Two of Moons. So in your situation, guys, Aries, today, maybe it may be in your work, you are moving towards some kind of a partnership, guys. Maybe a collaboration or a partnership or a beginning of a new responsibility, an added responsibility in your work. And it is something that gives you more success and harmony, happiness. And maybe if it is in your relationship, you are moving towards marriage or a commitment with this person, guys. So some positive changes are happening in your relationship or in your work situation, guys. And things are going in a very positive way in your life today, guys, Aries. And I also see that you are someone who is really honest, and maybe today in your situation you are really honest and you are unable to hide the mistakes that you made or someone made. Maybe there is someone in your work, they have done something wrong, but they are not willing to hide it because they want things to go in a positive way. So they are coming out with the truth, confessing their mistakes, whatever they did. And maybe sometimes telling everyone what they did wrong may not be taken in the right way, guys. People may get angry with the way you speak, courageously admitting the mistakes, or because these mistakes have an effect on those people. So it is not only affecting you, it is also affecting the people around you. So people may not leave you lightly for accepting something you did, maybe some wrongs you did, and you are coming out with the truth. Maybe speaking your mind may be good, but you need to think, guys, before you do that. That is what I see with these cards, Aries. And also, Aries, in your situation today, maybe you feel an attraction, great attraction towards this person. You may be working towards meaningful connection, maybe marriage or even commitment, but you are facing some choices today, guys, and you need to make some choices today in this love. Maybe you are making that determined step, maybe in this relationship, before going deeply into this responsibilities. You want to be clear, you want to be focused, and you don't want any distractions after that. So you are thinking deeply before making this step towards marriage or commitment, or this may be their energy towards this relationship, guys. And maybe whatever troubles you're facing today, Aries, in your work or in your relationship, whatever it is, you are going to overcome all those difficulties quite easily, guys, Aries. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So we have Apprentice of Spheres in reverse, guys. So with this card in your relationship, maybe this person who is in connection with you, maybe they have a careless attitude, guys. Maybe we just saw that energy with the previous cards that you're thinking. It may be their energy. Maybe they are thinking they are scared of commitment. Maybe for some of you, this person is not ready for commitment. So they may back out if you approach them with a proposal or engagement. So they are not yet ready for this deep connection, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Alchemist of Spheres. So with this card in your work situation, guys, you are going to see a lot of success and you are going to create many paths or opportunities for success in your life today, guys, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries. Let's see what is your oracle guidance. We have hope. Sorry, guys. We have hope. So with this card, the energy for us is that in our day-to-day life, we see so many stressful things, worrying things all around us, and we feel hopeless and heavy at heart. We don't know what to do or in what way we can help them and what way we can make these difficulties go away. So we can start small, guys, in whatever way we can by helping the other person. Maybe some stranger, maybe a smile or a pat on the back or a few kind words. Whatever we can do, it may be even very small actions, but that is going to instill hope and faith in that other person, and that is going to make a huge difference in that person's life, guys, who is suffering today. So we need to show them the sense of purpose and direction by instilling hope in their lives, and we can start small by in whatever way we can. If we can help them financially, but otherwise through our words or physically we can do whatever we can, guys. So that is the angel guidance for y'all today, Aries. That is the reading for y'all. So let's see what is your love message. The message your person wants to tell you. You bring peace to me. So this person feels that you are the harmony and happiness of their lives, and they feel really content, that emotional satisfaction and peaceful with you when they are with you. So that is the message for you all, Aries. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.